Hi, hello. This is Charlie Jose, and you're watching another episode of UpStreamCharlie. In today's episode, we'll be doing an unboxing and initial first impressions about the TNG-163 or TG163 from the TNG flag store in Lazada. So I bought this several days ago, and now we'll be doing an unboxing and first impression. So far, the packaging is a-okay. It's matte coated and colorful. And I bought, I think, a red one. So it comes in different shades and colors. Your usual gray, blue, black, red, and other stuff. Okay. So what else? So let's check the specs of this one. It's Bluetooth, but it's not indicated here what type of Bluetooth it has. Anyway, the battery is 600 milliamps. It has the speaker driver is 52 millimeter, just one piece. The power is 5 watts, one piece. Okay, the size is around 135 by 60 by 80 millimeters. Okay, charging time is around 2 to 3 hours. So my guess of the playing time of a 600 milliamp is around 3 hours or 4 if it's fully charged properly. So let's try to open this product. It slides. Okay. Uh-oh. This one I don't like. Okay. It's not properly glued. So that's a minus for TNG. So again, you have your user manual, English and Chinese. Again, they're claiming this has a TWS function, I hope. And what else? They have the micro USB charging cable. Okay, let's park that one. And oh, I bought the black one, not the red one. So let's put that outside. Okay, so first impressions. So it has this cloth thing. It's a water resistant or water repellent cloth, mesh cloth. So the body is basically ABS plastic. So we have two diaphragms or exhaust on the sides. So rectangular. So this one has no edges. So they got curved edges. Okay, so there's nothing at the back except the cloth in front. So everything is on the top. So this one is a silicone coating. So I suspect it's for waterproofing as well because they covered the IOs here, the modes and everything. So you have your USB stick port, your power cable connector here, and the TF slot. There is no aux connection or cable port for this TG163. So on top is again your usual suspects. You got the minus plus or plus minus. You know how this is used. So skipping files and increase and decrease volumes. And then you got the mode. And then you got a 2-in-1 button. This is, I guess, the the on and off button, and at the same time pause and play button. So let's try to turn this on.
Bluetooth mode.
Nice voice. Okay, let's try to turn it off again. Let's put some light here because it's absorbing light. Let's turn it on again.
Bluetooth mode.
Okay. That's a familiar sound. Okay, very generic in all Chinese-made Bluetooth speakers. That famous lady. So it has a voice prompt when you turning it on, but it doesn't have a voice prompt when you turn it off. So let's try to connect this baby uh, to a cell phone. Okay, so let's go. So it's paired. At last, it's paired. So let's try to So again, that's the sound testing for the TG163. Initially, this is first impression. So the packaging is so-so, around 3 stars. But the build quality of the product is acceptable. It's good. I like the design. And it generates good enough bass. And basically that's it. So I'm gonna make an extensive video and extensive review of this product, so watch out for that video. So again, this is Charlie Jose. See you on the next video. Bye bye.